I wanted the transfer to spill over the sides, and it's not a flat surface. So what I do is I take the plastic sheet design and I curve it around whatever curve or corner I'm working with, and I hold it down while I use the applicator stick to rub the design on. Depending on how curvy your piece may be, you may get a little bit of cracking in the transfer design. I personally don't mind, because if there's any sort of cracking that looks too severe for me, I can just go in with an artist brush and the same color of paint and just kind of paint it in so nobody would ever notice. So I'm not too particular about whether the design cracks a little bit or not. In fact, for most of my projects, I kind of like the look. But again, if you're picky about it and you want the design to be pristine and your transfer design does end up cracking a little bit, it is easily fixed with a little artist brush and a little bit of paint.